Python code challenge. Can you guess the output of this Python code? You will have 30 seconds to choose one answer from 4 options. The first line creates a list, 1, 2, and assigns it to x. On the second line, we assign y equals x, which means both x and y are now referencing the same list object in memory. So when we use the is operator, it checks whether x and y point to the same object, not whether their values are the same, but whether they reference the exact same list. And the correct answer is A, true. Since x and y both reference the same list, x is y returns true. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.